Today I'm unboxing the Blackline 250 amp MIG welder to replace my old B&Q welder, which has got to be 15 years old, maybe a little bit older. It's come at a decent time because the other welder has been overheating on a metal folder that I've been making. I don't know if I've done that video or whether that video is going to be out before this one, but let's get this open, see what we're left with. This was, I think it's £313 plus £7 postage, something like that. I'll put it somewhere probably underneath and show you the price I paid for it. It's from Rally Design, it's on eBay, and it's the same brand as the TIG welder that I bought, so it's a budget one. So let's have a look what we've got. It does work on a 16 amp socket, so it should be a lot more powerful than the other. And I shouldn't have any problems with blowing fuses either, which is the hope. It's come packaged half decent, piece of plywood. So it comes with a little brush, an arc welding attachment, got the earth clamp, which looks alright, not the best. But to be fair, for the price, I don't think you're going to get, well, you're not going to get the best, are you? But it's got a decent length to it. The thickness is alright. It comes with a female socket for you to wire in. I'm assuming this is a bit of a mask. The model I've gone for has got the Euro torch adapter on it. I've never had a Euro torch. Mine's just a hobby weld, so hopefully that'll be okay. I don't know what the trigger's going to be like. In the bottom of the box, we've got a throwaway mask, the instructions and the sight glass. So the unit itself comes already with a 16 amp plug, so I can plug that straight into my extension, which I've got ready from the TIG welder, so I've not got to do anything extra on there. The gas connections on the back, it doesn't appear to come with any hose to connect up to the gas. It's got an output connection on the back of it, 230 volt output connection, which I'll show you here. But it's a European connection. The on-off is there. As I say, we've got a barb for the gas, but I'll have to see if the one that I've got, I think mine will connect straight onto that. On the side here, I'm assuming this is where the wire goes. It looks like it should take the 5 kilogram feed. Mine's only on the 1 kilogram at the moment, so I may, in fact I think this afternoon I might go and pick up a 5 kilogram drum. A little bit of loose cap inside. The wire feed motor looks decent, a lot better than what I'm used to. On the front, from what I've read, it'll do gas and gasless, so obviously need to make sure that the polarity is correct. more what I was after was having the speed for the wire feed. I've really been struggling with my old one, that when I turn the power up, the wire speed automatically goes stupidly quickly, so I'm not able to control it particularly well. And this seems to have it so that it's got a digital readout. Mine's just a manual rubbish one, to be honest. So what I'll do is I'll get it gassed up, I'll connect up the mains, and we'll see what it's like. So I've got a fuel line clip. Get this connected on the back. Let's get the welder on its new home. Fits similar to the old one, so it doesn't go on completely. I'd have to modify my tray, but I'm okay with that. See if you can hear the gas. And that's negative. Let's just give it a whirl. See if we're on the right tracks, and I thought it might tell me the amps before I turned it on, but it doesn't. You must have to touch it against. Probably going to take a little bit of getting used to this. A lot of getting used to. Maybe it goes in the negative side. It's welding. Turn it up a little bit. Turn the wire speed down. That's too far. And we're in the zinc coat in there as well. Let's turn the speed up a little bit. Don't understand why it's not showing me how many amps it is. see on the torch where the zinc coating's still on this. Do a bit on there. See, when you do it on it, you can see the amps, but it's not telling you what it is. So that's only at about 100 amps there. Let's have a do round here. I mean, it's a solid weld. Maybe not quite enough wire speed, it's a bit porous. Try this end. Yeah, it's looking a bit porous, but that might be the zinc. Bit better, not the best. Try this the other way. Right, it's just update, just been to Halford. I have done a little bit since, I forgot to film though. I got, for the first time ever for me, a 5 litre drum of MIG welding wire. It's 0.8mm this as well, which is what the machine apparently is more suited to from what I looked at. I've just filled in these welds. Found it really easy as well to fill in a big gap. So there's a massive gap there. I'll show you on the other side how big, unless you can remember from before. This was with the old welder last night, and so was that. I've managed to fill in the gaps at the top as well. Like I said, I've not cleaned the metal properly, so it's not as neat as it could be. Alright, so let's end it with, would I recommend this particular welder? Now, I'm a hobbyist, I could only compare it to what I had, and what I had was absolute rubbish compared to this. And I think for 300 quid, do 250 amps, so it's pretty powerful. In all honesty, the not tripping out, not having problems is probably because I've got it connected up to my 16 amp supply, so it's not having to worry about breakers and stuff like that and fuses popping. But really good buy, I'm dead pleased with it, really pleased. Welds perfectly on the CO2 from the fire extinguisher as well, which was pretty cheap compared to the Hobby Weld 5. I will get another bottle of the Hobby Weld 5 when I'm doing the panels, but I bought the extinguisher just in case. So that's it for this video.